I'm Katie Rowe. I'm head of data at Pico MES, and I'm really excited to talk to you today about some of our data capabilities. You can see here we're capturing metadata about the build itself. This means kind of what time did someone start building it, when did it complete, who built it, where was it built, things like serial numbers. We capture all the events that happened to that build, notes, alerts, things like that. You're able to see kind of step by step how the build progressed. You're able to see any kind of deviations and how long did operators spend in that deviation state, and then the overall cycle time for that build. We're also able to capture just all kinds of action related data. And when we say action, it kind of refers to our tool integrations. So like torque results, scans, measured values, all of those kinds of things. The build data we've captured automatically populates these deeper dive views into how you're spending your time within builds. You can see high-level metrics and then dig deeper into cycle times over time, and even get down to the step level to see where you're spending the most time and which builds had outliers that we detected. We have similar pages for your workstation analytics. These show similarly top-level metrics and then get into the details of which processes and operators were at that particular workstation, and even show a timeline breakdown of how you spent your time at that station over a week's time, hourly breakdowns. At the bottom of the page, we show a timeline view that breaks down how time was spent at that station from active build time, pauses, shows scheduled breaks, downtime, and even time when the station was just turned off. This can be kind of a starting point for your OEE analytics. Pico makes it really easy to search all the past history of a part just from a serial number. You can add it to the search and see all of the relevant associated builds. From there, you can go back to the full data set that you collected for that build by clicking the link back to the build table. If you'd like to learn more about Pico MES's data capabilities, just visit picomes.com.